problem, describe a linear system. Given two stochastic process x1 of t and x2 of t, we say that capital L is a linear transformation if L of a1 into x1 of t plus a2 into x2 of t, that is equal to a1 into L of x1 of t plus a2 into L of x2 of t. Next problem, given an example of linear system. Consider the system F with output t into x of t for an internal input signal x of t. F means system, t into x of t is output and x of t is input signal. That is y of t is equal to f of x of t. It becomes t into x of t. That is output. Then the system is linear. For any two inputs, x1 of t and x2 of t, the inputs are t into x1 of t and t into x2 of t. Now, f of a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t, that is equal to f of x of t, it becomes t into x of t. So, like that here x, then x of t. What is given x of t? a1 into x1 of t plus a2 into x2 of t, like that. Here a1 and a2 are constants. So, a1 into t into x1 of t plus a2 into t into x2 of t. That is equal to a1 into t into x of t1. It becomes f of x1 of t1 plus a2 into t into x2 of t. It becomes f of x2 of t. Therefore, the system is linear. Next problem. Define a system when it is called a linear system. Definition of a system. Mathematically, a system is a functional relations between input x of t and y of t. That is called system. When it is called a linear system, symbolically, y of t is equal to f of x of t. T always lies between minus 2 plus infinity. That is meaning system. The system is said to be linear if for any two inputs x1 of t and x2 of t and then constants a1 and a2. That is equal to f of a1 into x1 of t plus a2 into x2 of t. That is equal to a1 into f of x1 of t plus a2 into f of x2 of t. So just before we discussed this formula. Next, state the properties of a linear system. Let x1 of t and x2 of t be two process and a, b are constants. If capital L is a linear filter, then L of a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t, that is equal to a1 into L of x1 of t plus a2 into L of x2 of t. Next, state the convolution form of the output of linear time invariant system. If x of t is the input and h of t be the system waiting function and y of t is the output, then y of t is equal to h of t convolution x of t, that is equal to integral minus 2 plus infinity h. First t is going to change only u, the second t is going to change t minus u. So, u only variable. Define band limited white noise. This formula is very important formula. Noise with a non-zero and constant density over a finite frequency band is called band limit white noise. That is Sxx of omega, that is equal to the first function n capital N naught by 2 comma mod omega less than or equal to omega b. N naught by 2, that is the white noise. Formula for the white noise, capital N naught divided by 2.